Alaska all alone again. It's gonna be an adventure. Oh, this pack is a little heavy. All right. Oh man. All right, it's time to set up camp. Ooh, I found a nice spot. When you forget your bow, my man comes back and drops it off. Tell me I'm not the first one that's done that before. All of a sudden I'm like, okay, bag, camera, where's my bow?
You're very concerned about the camera.
You can't hunt without a bow. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a good start. Get all my stuff packed out. You only get 50 pounds in a pack for a week. So, got the tent, got the packing. All right, the tent is set up. We need to get water. I'm getting thirsty, getting hungry. You can't survive out here without water. Alaska is Alaska. Unpredictable, weather crazy, but you get that view, so should be a fun week. I'm excited. My camp is way the heck over there. I got a little nervous. I was probably walking a couple miles all around and I just couldn't find water, and you need water so bad out here. So, oh my gosh. That's like save the freaking day right there. These little wins out in Alaska mean a lot. Gotta head over that way to back to camp. Oh man, finish the first day. Tomorrow I can start hunting. So saw some good bulls tonight. So get back home, sleep like a baby. All alone. Out in Alaska.
Good morning. Ooh, had a nice night of sleep. Got a nice warm sleeping bag finally. Start the trek that way and see what we get into today. So, let's go.
All right. I got a good one right over this ridge top. Working our way. They're just milling around in the middle there, but I'm gonna walk all the way around over there, I think, to intercept them. This one's a good one. By the way, FYI, you should probably bring a fork or a spoon. I forgot it at home. So what are you gonna do? You gotta make do with it. Dinner out in Alaska. Can't beat it. It's gonna be a little chilly tonight, so hopefully I stay warm. Saw some good ones today, so anyone comes by, I'm stalking. Day 2 starts now. Whew, this is a nice walk. They're a few hundred yards away, trying to ambush them when they come by. Hard-horned, beautiful, beautiful bull. He's with some cows. Let's see if I can slip in and get a shot. All right, I'm all set up. I just don't know where they're at. Oh man. That was intense. Back to the drawing board. Man, that was close. It is fun with a bow and cameras. Stalking solo. Self-filming, baby. I wouldn't do it any other way. Now this is living. Staying warm in my sleeping bag, and I got the finer things outside heating up. Sun's coming up on just another day. It was cold last night. You can probably see my breath. It froze all the water on the tent, but it's should be a good day. Sun's out, so caribou come in, I get a kill. Look at how sick and beautiful today is. Alaska can be nasty for sure, but then you got days like this. Man, it is stupid nice out. Freaking arrow fell off my freaking D-loop. 35 yards, not even 30. Oh, it's just getting into a rainstorm now. Time to get in and stay dry. How about those wolves? Woo, crazy. All right, I just woke up a little late. A big bull's coming in. Don't got my meat. Yes! All my batteries are dying. I couldn't get the kill shot and rush out. I didn't even tie my boots. And he's right down there. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, I put a lot into this. Time, effort, such hard work to get here. And to finally get it done. That's what I'm gonna remember the most. Oh man, it's just me celebrating with me now. I brought him down on the ground. I saw him fall. In shock. Like I said, it just happened so freaking fast. Oh my gosh. Literally, camp is right there somewhere. Right there. And I shot him right here. They came over that mountainside right there. I quick rushed, no cameras, got set up, and I got a freaking bull down. Oh man, it's been a long time coming for this freaking bull. And I've been close the last couple of days, and today was the day. Oh man, everything worked just perfectly. Probably the prettiest bull I've seen yet. His chest, and I hit his head. You'll see it. No bullshit here, folks. Let's check him out. Bull down, baby. Yes. Look at how beautiful that freaking bull is right there. That is freaking cool. Let's check him out. Oh, he's a big bull. He's a big bull. How about that? Bull down, Alaska, solo with a bow. Unbelievable. Oh yeah, I shot him right in the eye. Whoops. Tell you what, you come to Alaska and get fortunate in life like me, just to be even out here in Alaska, let alone take an unbelievable animal like this, you just gotta thank, just be fortunate. Thank you so much. Oh man, what an unbelievable animal. All right, I watched countless videos on how to do this, and I've never done this by myself. So, what a way to learn. If I ever had a kid or friends, I would tell them this: you can't learn what you need in life from books or watching a video. You can learn it doing it. One, two, three. Oh, I made it. Oh, okay, here we go. Whew. 1 out of 4 trips to go. Alaska, you were beautiful and you were wild. As this adventure comes to a close, I'm ready for the next one.